Hi guys, it's Deseray with Nature Madness, and I think that we should learn about the nature. So, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Let's go. So today, we're going to learn about flowers. So, the flowers that I'm going to show you are called daisies. They look a bit like this. These are daisies. White flowers with yellow middles. I know. It's kind of weird learning about nature, but you want to learn about nature. It's pretty cool. You can do a lot of things in nature. Find butterflies, get eaten by mosquitoes. Just messing with you. But being eaten with mosquitoes is pretty bad, so just don't get eaten by them. So, our second attraction, I don't know what kind of flowers these are, but they're super pretty. I don't know what they're called. They're actually really nice smelling flowers. Ooh, they smell like nectar. I licked it. Just messing with you guys. The third thing we're going to be learning about is moss. It grows on things that are old. This is flowery moss. Flowery. Looks like not normal moss, but it's a type of moss. I hope you guys enjoyed my video about 3 nature assignments that you can be taught. And if you ever get an assignment about flowered yellow moss, just be glad you got my video here. So remember, like and subscribe to my video. So, goodbye!